Hey everyone, hope you're all staying nice and cool during this crazy heat wave. Is the housing market as hot as it is outside? Well, we're going to take a look and find out right now. Okay, so looking at June stats for the Waterloo region over the course of 1 year, and we have a bit of a statistical phenomenon occurring right here. So, as you can see, median sale prices moved up from May to June. But if we look at the individual property types, all median sale prices have gone down. As expected, we're now in the summer market. If we look at average sale prices, they went down for all individual property types as well as all property types. So, why is the median sale price marker moving up for the month of June? Well, what that tells us is that the vast majority of properties that sold lean towards the more expensive end. So, in the month of June, more expensive properties sold than in the month of May. In the month of May, we had a lot of first-time home buyers coming into the market, and a lot of the homes in the 500 to 600 range were being scooped up. The majority of sales were in that area. And in June, some of those more affordable properties, those sales tapered off, and we saw more sales in higher price points. So that's what we're seeing. But like every other summer, like every other June, sale prices have begun to dip. So we can see with single family detached homes in May, that median sale price was around 781,000, and that went down to 772. New listings for detached homes went down just a bit, but relatively stayed strong. 888 in May to 859 in June. Total inventory moved up. We're at 1,048, and sales did go up as well. We had 418 detached home sales in May, and that went up to 438. Days on market around the same. 2 weeks in May, 15 days in June. Looking at townhomes, those median sale prices dropped down a bit. 592.8 in May dropped down to 567,500. New listings of townhomes, they dropped a bit to 257. Total inventory went up. 441 townhomes for sale in the Waterloo region, and sales dropped on that. So sales dropped, and we got higher inventory. Days on market for that property type, 25. Closing in on a month. Condos, the volatile condo. Let's start with median sale prices. They went down 380,000. New listings, about the same. 215 in May, 212 in June. Total inventory dropped. That's good to see, 491. And sales went up, so we got more condo purchases. Days on market, still 45 days though. Still tough for condos. Semi-detached. Median sale prices dropped a bit to 601,250. Those new listings went up just slightly. 76 new semi-detached listings. Total inventory stayed exactly the same, 66. And those sales went up, 48. So it looks like we're getting some good sales in. Buyers are still out there shopping in June. Days on market, 2 weeks. So going back to all property types, overview of the whole market. New listings across the board dropped a bit, just a bit. We had 1,404 new listings in the Waterloo region. Total inventory climbed just slightly, 2,072, and sales did go up, 650. So that's interesting to see. So activity did not slow down in June. We had more sales than last month, but we are seeing valuations continue to drop as we get into those summer months. And moving into July and August, we should see those valuations continue to come down, but we shall see what that does with activity, with buying activity. Maybe we continue to see higher sales. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, if you have any questions about your own search, if you're thinking of buying or selling relatively soon or in the near future, hit me up. You can email me, text me, call me, set up a Zoom call. Happy to answer any of your questions, especially if you are selling. I am offering more services now, so give me a call and I'd be happy to discuss them with you. Until then, I hope you all had a great Canada Day. Enjoy the rest of your July, and remember, stay frosty. Cheers.